Okay guys, I'm gonna be testing my new car. Yep, that's my new car. That's my little brother over there. He's watching something on the TV. Hey Kian, could you get the car, place it outside? By the way, I have a dog. That's why I have this gate over here. Good job. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys right here. Okay, that's now put this. Okay guys, this is my new car, and it comes with a remote. That means we don't have to just push it around like babies. Dee-doo-dee. You can open the door if I press. You can open the door if I press this button. And we're gonna test it now. Testing. Okay guys, this is me right now. Okay. Oh! Don't worry guys, it's not broken. Don't worry guys, it's not broken. But yeah, it's kind of slow. Wait, what just happened? Okay, it's my brother's turn. Oh wait, he opened the door. Close the door. Close the door. Okay, there we go. Ah! Hey, stop that. By the way, I smell fish. Someone cooking fish. By the way, I forgot to tell you. It looks like it's gonna rain. It looks like it's gonna rain right now. And there's the big trees. We live in an apartment. Guess what? I'm really scared to drop this right now. Egg. Wait. It ran over a grasshopper. Why should I be scared of it? It's already dead. Here's my dog. I already showed you her. I already showed you guys her in the other video. Anyways, my mom is fighting with my older brother. This is my neighbor's house. I already told them that I'm recording right now. And I'm really scared to drop this. Kian, how old are y'all? How old are y'all? Hey, what you do? Yeah, put that down first. Put that down first.
I'm 3.
No, you're 4.
What?
Yeah. You're not 3 anymore, you're 4. And I almost forgot that you were 4. Don't you dare scare me like that. It ran over the grasshopper again. You wash the car. Don't do this with it. Good that it still works.
Yeah, what?
Eh.
What expired?
I told my other neighbors as well that I'm recording, and don't you dare scare me like that. Wait, that kind of looks like eyes.
Oh,
Hey, yeah. That tree is pretty big.
I just one over the grasshopper. I just one over
It reminds me of the good old days, yeah.
Tate, I just one in the grasshopper.
Just running the grasshopper.
Yeah.
Can't see it. Hey, you ran over the grasshopper again. Should I step on it? No. By the way, we're preparing for Christmas. Look at all these lights. I'll record another video when it's night so that I can
I
show
was
you.
the boss.
Okay. So,
The plate.
okay. But now, I'll record another video in the night to show you these flowers. I mean butterflies. Could you? Anyways, bye guys.